Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make simple and easy graphs. So this is the very basic technique to make a very simple graphs, and I know that sometimes the students really struggle even to make this simple graph. So in this video of mine you will learn a simple technique to make graph. So let's get started. So here you see on my screen that I have two columns of data 1 and data 2. So first we will just make a graph of just a data 1 set. You can type as much as you want. It is just a number for like. So we select this one, we go to insert, and here you see there are a lot of graph options. So let's start with this bar chart. So what the bar chart will do, so it's a 2D, it's 3D, even you want to rotate the axis, you can use this one. So let's start with this one. It's a very simple one. It's a 2D column. So this, after clicking this, you can get this kind of thing. You can change the colors also here, from here. Like if I change the color, you can see that now it's green. And you can change the page layout also. So these are like different layouts options. You want to have the you don't want to have a line, you want to have a line, and you can explore on your own these kind of chart design. And also if you go to format, you can shape the fill, so you can fill the background of your chart. So these tools are always useful to make your graph look more beautiful, look more attractive. But okay, in this video we are not going in that part, so we will stick just to know how to make a simple bar chart. So this is your simple bar chart. If you click on it, this, the data is gonna highlight it. So you know that which data has been used to make this graph. Now, of course, you cannot use this just chart and click to any page on any report. So what you have to do, you have to make the chart elements. For example, what is this x-axis? What is this y-axis? What is the name of this chart? So we go to axis titles, we click, and it will show you the axis title. So here and here, as you see, in this one you can just delete and you can write, for example, x-axis. And similarly here you can write y-axis, and you can here change the name, and you can write whatever you want to give the name of the chart. So for example, if we say data 1 chart, and of course you can change the font size by going to home. You can change the color of the font. For example, you can change it as red, whatever you want. And also when you click on this chart, you get many other options of like chart styles. What kind of style you want, you can check. You can change the colors, and from here you can always put the data labels, which is very important when you're making a chart, because then it shows the audience, it is very easy for them to understand the bar numbers. And especially when we put these kind of charts to our presentations or to our reports, it is really, really helpful, and it makes the audience, or you can say the reviewer, or you can say anybody who is reading your presentation, or who is reading your reports, they can easily understand if you put the data labels. So for example, if you go to here, and there are many other ways to put the data labels. So you can say inside base, you can say inside in end, you can put in the center, you can even call data call out. But I think if you put this one in this kind of bar chart, it makes really messy. So we can just use the inside base, or you can use the center, or you can use the inside and then you can use the outside in. It depends on you. So I hope you like my video, and maybe yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe it, please like it, and please share this link of the video as much as you can. Thank you so much. I hope you have a nice, lovely day today. Keep safe, stay inside, and be grateful. Thank you.